The first thing we would love to share with you is our membership program. We now have nearly 40 members from all parts of the world and all different areas of gender equality. So we have people who specialised in gender-based violence, people who specialised in gender and climate, in finance, in a wide range of different topics coming from countries all over the world. So our members gather in two different ways. One is on our membership platform, which you can see an example of here, which is managed by Martina, who's with us today. The membership platform is a place where you can go to find resources, but also to ask questions of your peers, to get to know your peers better, and to keep up to date with what's going on. So that's one way to engage as a member. The other way is through our members only workshops. So we just held a workshop last week. That was a career workshop, and it was about, okay, so where are you up to with your career? What do you need the most help with? And how can Fabulous Feminists support you? So that will be a monthly career workshop that we'll be offering, where you can come, you can bring your current challenges and questions and get advice and input from peers and from the Fabulous Feminist team on supporting you with your career. So we have these very practical career workshops, and that's really what we want to offer you, is a space, a platform for engagement, but also some way that you can build your skills and develop your career as you go along. We also offer all memberships the Introduction to Gender Training course, which is a self-paced course which you can take in your own time, and we'll give you a certificate at the end of it. We have a question of the month, a monthly bulletin, and there's different levels of engagement through the platform, and also through these workshops where you can really get to know each other and other members. And for annual members, I also include a free one-to-one career mentoring session where I will help you think through a job application or a specific market that you would like to get into, or maybe you have an interview coming up, for example. So these are the kinds of things that we can help you with.